So Shubham Sharma, how are you? And a very big congratulations. क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि आप whenever I talk to you, I understand earlier also some financial problem or family some problems you were been having.
Yes, sir.
Your conversation, but when you got the rank, I felt very happy that you were been suffering, you were been working a lot, you want to do
Yes.
something, but some financial problems are coming in between. From last 2 years, I'm noticing you, but with God's grace, you got a very good rank, 556.
Thank you very much, sir.
So how you felt when you saw your result or someone told you for the first time?
Yes, sir. I was very nervous that somebody told that result will declare on 2 o'clock, but suddenly result was declared at 1:30. So suddenly one PDF came in front of me, and my hand was shivering so much. Yeah, and I dialed my roll number, and I just shut down my eyes, and when I opened my eyes, I saw my roll number in the final and holy PDF, sir.
Yes.
And that was a very blessing and very precious moment for me.
How our father, mother, how they felt? Are you at home or you were somewhere else when the result came?
No, sir, I was at home, sir.
Preparing for prelims.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very nice. So Shubham Sharma ji, see, 556 rank is not a joke. It's a very big achievement. So a lot of the young aspirants who want to prepare for 2023, so they want to know about you. So what is your educational background?
Yes, sir. I did BTech in Dairy and Food Technology. Basically, I came from agriculture background, sir.
आप कहाँ के वो लोकल आपका नेटिव प्लेस कहाँ है?
मध्य प्रदेश, sir.
Which place?
Damoh district.
Okay, yes.
Yeah.
So,
Situated in Bundelkhand region, sir.
Bundelkhand region. So parents, what they will do?
My father is a shopkeeper, sir.
Okay. Yes. So you come from agriculture background.
Yes, sir.
आपको यूपीएससी लिखने, why you want to write UPSC, why that thought came, what is the triggering point?
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, my elder brother, he is currently working as a DSP in Madhya Pradesh government.
Group 1 officer.
Yes, sir. Deputy Superintendent of Police in Madhya Pradesh government. So he motivated me a lot to join civil services.
Very nice. Yes. So और एक प्रश्न पूछना था आपको, which will be useful for 2023 aspirants. How you prepared for your prelims? How you prepared for your mains? How you prepared for your interview?
Yes, sir. Basically, sir, UPSC is a 3-stage exam, and in each and every exam, you should dedicate differently, sir. For example, in prelims, sir, as I did last day's prelims, means it was a very unconventional exam, sir. So first of all, you should develop a efficient presence of mind. You should have a efficient intelligence elimination technique in prelims, and overall, you should have a confidence that you will crack this exam. In prelims and in mains, the rigorous writing practice is very essential. And in interview stage, you should have a confidence. You should have honesty with you, and ultimately, your hard work will definitely pay you, sir.
Very nice. I know that for improvement of your rank, you gave attempt yesterday, June 5th, 2022.
Yes, sir.
And I know that you are scoring in both the papers 100 and above.
Yes, sir.
What is your review? Kaisa tha question paper?
I think, sir, I rated this question paper moderate to difficult because I also gave last year's prelims, and in this year's prelims, I experienced little bit difficult sides.
Correct.
It was a difficult paper. Because UPSC changed the pattern a lot in this year's prelims.
Yes. So, for the beginners, if they want to choose optional, what are the criteria they have to search for? Any optional, what should be the criteria basically?
Yes, sir. So, first of all, sir, subject should be interested for the student, because in order to gain expertise in optional, you should have interest in it in order to read the optional for a longer time. So first of all, interest is the criteria. And second, you can match the optional with your graduation background. For example, sir, in my graduation, some portion of biotechnology is there. That's why I choose anthropology. In anthropology, basically in biological anthropology, some portion of biotechnology is overlapping. And in third, you should have a proper guidance to choose any optional subject. Yes, sir.
Yes. So how you prepared for your optional?
Sir, first of all, I just read all the syllabus of anthropology. Means I choose anthropology my optional in mains. And first of all, I read the syllabus completely, and I brush up all the syllabus and connected my syllabus with my graduation background. And then I made myself notes in anthropology, and I also referred, sir, your book. Yeah, and I really, sir, I also referred your book, sir. And in your book, some questions are directly came in mains examination. Like in this year examination, alliance theories came up directly from you, and one question, the aging related question is also came from your book, sir. And I solely referred your book, and I made my own notes, and I referred NCERT also, sir.
Very nice. And your interview preparation, how it went, Shubham?
Yes, sir, it was went very well. And for interview, first of all, sir, interview is just a confidence building journey.
Yes.
And in interview, I know that the knowledge doesn't matter a lot. So first of all, I build a confidence. In order to build the confidence, I gave lots of mock, and I gave mocks in Vishnu IS academies, in all the various coaching centers to build the confidence, and ultimately my confidence helped me to score a decent marks in interviews.
Yes, true. So, what should be the strategy for those who are aspiring for 2023? From today onwards, how they have to prepare?
Yes, sir. First of all, sir, they should have a thorough knowledge of all the points of the syllabus, and they should have the habit to connect the point of the syllabus with the day-to-day current affairs, because UPSC has the tendency to connect the current with the statics. So first of all, these kind of habits should be developed, and students should have their own handmade notes, because their means handmade notes help them to revise all the syllabus in a very less time, sir. And in third, they should have a kind of self motivation, and they have the faith that they will crack the world's toughest exam in a very lesser time, sir.
And what are the traits, characteristics a one should have while preparing for civil services individually?
For me, sir, some kind of characteristics and traits are very essential. First of all, you should have motivation. You should not distract from all the frequent sources like social media. For me, the social media is a good platform, but for others, social media can be a negative platform. That's why they can distract it from their motto. And in third, they should have a motivation. They should do hard work, because hard work will definitely pay you. And UPSC is a synonym of hard work. Yes, sir. You gave lots of contribution. First, you made my anthropology very easily, and you covered all the aspect. And I also referred your book. That's why I did not recommend any big end sources, sir. And I completely stuck it to the demand of the question. That's why I scored decent mark in this year's anthropology mains. And in interview, uh, I also gave one mock interview with the Vishnu IS Academy, where all the experience facilities pinpointed my mistake, and ultimately I rectified my mistakes. And I also connected with you in intro anthropology related interview sessions, where you daily picked up a 1 to 2 topic, and gave a guideline to how you prepare anthropology for the interview, sir.
Yes, Shubham, and we are hoping not hoping you will get it in 2022. Yesterday, anyhow, prelims you cleared. So this
Yes.
3 months, I'm with you, and we will try to get below 100, 2-digit rank.
Yes, sir. Very, very thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.